The global launch of Xiaomi's 15T series appears to be just around the corner, as both the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro official certifications now granted in Thailand and Singapore. Expectations are rising for an August or September debut. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is rumored to pack the latest Dimensity 9400 Plus chip, 12GB of RAM, and Android 15 with HyperOS 2. It may include a massive 7500 mAh battery and support 120W fast charging. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is tipped to feature a triple camera system with a 50MP OmniVision OVX8000 main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP Samsung JN5 telephoto unit. Xiaomi fans won't have to wait long to see what these budget-friendly flagships bring to the table. Between upgraded cameras, flagship-grade chips, and fast charging, the 15T series could be a serious contender in the mid-range space. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.